Hello, my name is Efe, and today I will be presenting about stocks. First, what is a stock? A stock is a financial instrument representing partial ownership in a corporation. An investor gains a proportional claim on the company's earnings. Stocks are primarily bought and sold on exchanges such as NYSE or NASDAQ to build wealth through price appreciation and sometimes dividends. How stocks work. Companies sell small pieces of ownership called shares to get money to grow. The first time a company does this is called an initial public offering, aka IPO. After the IPO, people can buy and sell these shares on the stock market. Prices go up and down based on how much profit people expect the company to make. Now let's talk about the types of stock. Common stock. Common stock means you own a small piece of a company. You own stock and you are a shareholder. You hope the company does well, so your shares become more valuable over time. This is capital appreciation, and you might get paid a part of the company's profits, called dividends. Usually, for every share you own, you get one vote to help make big decisions for the company, like choosing its leaders. Growth stocks. Imagine you own a piece of a company like a lemonade stand. A growth stock is like investing in a stand that is growing super fast, much faster than all the other stands in town. Preferred stock. Imagine you own a piece of a company. There are two main ways to do this: common stock and preferred stock. Think of preferred stock as a hybrid, a mix between a company, share, and loan. Income and value stocks. Income stocks are shares in well-established, stable companies that have been around for a long time. Think of businesses that provide electricity, water, or lots of apartment buildings, REITs. Blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks are shares in huge famous companies that have been successful for a long time, such as Microsoft, Walmart, or Apple. Because they are stable, reliable, and often pay consistent dividends, cash payments to investors, they are popular for long-term investing with lower risk. How much money do I need to start? How much money do you need to start investing in stocks? You don't need that much money to start investing in stocks. Most online broker accounts have no minimum investment requirements, and many offer fractional shares investing, which lets you start for as little as $1. How to start and tips. You can start by opening a broker account with platforms like Fidelity, SoFi, Schwab, Vanguard, or Robinhood. Some tips is that you should have a long-term stock that you are going to be saving. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed dollar amount at regular intervals, e.g. monthly, to lower the impact of volatility and avoid trying to time the market. Diversify. Do not rely on one or two stocks. A mix of sectors or low-cost index funds reduce risk. There are also indexes that combine all stocks according to what the companies make. For example, you can see a section in a stocks app called Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and S&P 500. These are the top 3 indexes in America, and you can find other indexes in other countries like UK, France, and South Korea. For example, Dow Jones includes companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Walmart, Home Depot, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and a lot more. Diversify. Stock diversification is a smart way to invest by spreading your money across many different companies and investments instead of putting all your money into one stock. You own a mix of things. Investing strategy and risks. Risks. Volatility can lead to capital loss. Short-term market timing often fails. Order types. Market orders execute immediately at best price versus limit orders execute only at a specific price. Classify stocks. Mega cap, 200 billion or more. Mega cap stocks are companies with a market capitalization of 200 billion or more. Large cap, 10 to 20 billion. Well-established, stable companies. Mid cap, 2 to 10 billion. Growth-oriented companies in between small and large. Small cap, 300 million to 2 billion. High growth potential, higher volatility. Micro/nano cap, less than 300 million. highly speculative and risky. Thank you. That's all I have today. Thank you for listening.